Trew here. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're not, welcome back. Thanks for tuning in. So today, guys, I'll be talking about what I did around my house for Christmas decorations and how I enter a door decoration contest. Can't wait to show you guys. Stay tuned. Merry Christmas and happy holiday. Mwah. This is a design that I decided to do for my door decoration contest. I did the Santa stuck in a chimney with a little cute tree on the side. Can you believe I only made this from out of Dollar Tree and Walmart products? So what I started off with was the Dollar Tree brown packing paper and then also a black poster board. Before making any designs, make sure you measure your door. Then with a ruler and a permanent marker, I just simply made a couple of lines to make it more look like a chimney. While still laying on the floor, I just laid out the decorations to see how I wanted them to lay out. Sorry guys, this is not a tutorial. My camera wasn't working at the time. I was only able to make short videos and photos from my phone. For me, the hardest part of my decoration was the legs, but it's basically just some pants stuffed with pillowcase stuffing. The pants that I got here are from Walmart. If you have red pants that you don't plan on using to stuff with pillows, by all means use that. For the bottom of Santa legs, I just used socks for the feet stuffed with pillow stuffing. For the white cuffling around his legs, all I used was a Dollar Tree, the white stuffing around the hat. Just cut it off and put it around his legs, safety pin them together. And I'm so sorry this is not a tutorial, but I hope that you still like the video. I found this door decoration idea online. I'm not sure what was the website. I really just found it on Google. If I could find those ideas, I would definitely link it below for you guys. So this is how it looks when I was finished. Comment below, let me know if you liked it or if you didn't like it, or any ideas you like to do. Sadly, I lost to the first place winner, this one here. Second place, beautiful decoration. And then third place, I love this one so much. What is Christmas like without a homemade gingerbread house? I honestly rushed it, but I know you guys can do better than that. Thanks guys for watching and tuning in to my video. I hope that everyone have a Merry Christmas and a Happy Holiday. Bye guys.